Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2015 Chevy Sonic. So I've already started the repairs on this. We're doing a valve cover gasket. We're doing a AC high pressure line, which I'll have in a different video because it's going to take more fun stuff to get apart. And the thermostat slash water outlet housing. I've already got one video for that one already, so you can check that one out. Basically the same procedure. The only one different with this is this one has a secondary air injection pump. So 3 more bolts, 1 more connector, 1 more hose, and it comes off, which is basically oriented right here. So not too much to that. But for the valve cover, it was leaking. Had 2 spots in here where the spark plugs and stuff like that were getting oil in them, so replaced the valve cover gasket, which comes everything all as one piece. So 2 problems solved. Now going back together, put a little dab of RTV right here, a little dab of RTV here. May not require it, but it's just one of those general rules. Been doing it for so long, it's a good thing to have. Those corners right there are very known to leak because you may not get a perfect seal right here in these little indentation areas. So slap some RTV on, going back together. Real easy to take apart. These are all inverted 10mm Torx. So all around the back, got a PCV hose connection back here. It's going to be one of these little quick disconnects, so pop that up, make sure you don't lose it, go back down there, lost, game over, and then just pry it off the back of here. Little overlay harness sits right here. This right here pops up, and of course take off the middle cover right there so that you can get the coil pack out and such like that to get to this one main bolt right here. Take the connector up and out of the way and pry it up. Oh, one mental note: for the housing that is over here, there's a hose that goes from here all the way to the throttle body right there. Very good idea to replace that anytime you replace these, because the little plastic housing on these right here like to break when you take them off. So I just go ahead and replace it just for the fun of it, because 9 times out of 10 it breaks, especially with older models. So if I was to take this up, you just lift these up, these little clips right here break, or the nodule that's about yay long down the side here will snap off inside. So problem either way you look at it. But valve cover gasket, plain and simple, pretty straightforward. Make sure you clean off your sealing surfaces once you're done. Slap this back on, tighten it up good and tight. Same thing with the housing on the side. You've got a video for that one. I'll put a link for the description for that one in case you want to watch it. Basically same procedure as this one. Then I will get to the AC hoses. I'll show you a quick one right here. See how it's all green right there? That's the oil from the dye. So I'll be showing in another video how to replace that one. Any questions, comments, please let me know. Please like and subscribe.